Hey guys, if you have a similar printer to this HP DeskJet 2827E and your printer is not feeding paper to print, that can be very frustrating. So that's why I'm going to show you how to quickly resolve that problem, what to look for, and how to fix it. So this is our only main paper tray on this printer over here in the back of it. So if you have tray that's not in place, that could be one of the reasons. The biggest reason is if you have something in the tray, such as an object like that could have fallen in there, paper clip, a pen, or anything like that. So what I would do is just put some light inside and see if there's anything there. Let me show you how to quickly remove this tray, and that will give you better access inside of the further part where the rollers are. Push it to one side and kind of push the tray back over here, or pull it, and then you exit at one end, and that releases the tray. This is our main unit right here where the rollers are. So you can lift this flap and kind of look in there and see if you can find anything. You can move this paper roller assembly back and forth and see if there's anything that's in the way. Could there be a pen? Could there be a paper clip, a staple, or a piece of paper that's preventing anything? Sometimes what you may do is unplug the printer and flip it over and kind of shake it. And I would recommend also removing cartridges when you're doing that and see if anything falls out of there. Sometimes just inspecting it will not give you enough. But don't shake it too hard, just kind of like give it a little shake, see if anything falls out. And the other thing, if you've used this printer a lot and over time what happens, you have the rollers right here that pick up the paper. In this printer model, it'll be these two rollers. They're rubber, and honestly you can reach them from here. You can also use maybe a little bit of a tool to kind of get to these rollers and clean them. To clean rollers, what I'll do is just get a piece of alcohol swab. I like them because they don't leave any lint, and I'm using tweezers here. You can use, like, staple this to a business card and then just kind of go in there, go right under the roller, put some light in there. So if you have locking tweezers, that would help. And you just kind of go under the roller and clean it, going back and forth. That should remove any paper dust that accumulates with time, every page that it pushes through. And here, same thing. You can also try turning the printer on and letting something print while you just hold this right under the roller, and that makes the roller spin and clean right on, like spin on this pad. This one is with alcohol. If you're not comfortable using alcohol, just use a piece of rag, cut it into a small piece, and just do the same thing here. But that should clean up your rollers, and then we'll let you pick up your let your printer work properly and pick up the paper. Keep in mind there's a paper load sensor over here. It's on this side. So if you go over it, you'll see on your screen that the paper is loaded. So that's the side to use, or maybe use a bigger rag. In my case, I'm kind of holding the tweezers right over that sensor, which lets the printer know that I have paper loaded in there. That will let me try to send a copy through. So if I do that and hold my pad firmly right under there with tweezers, it'll try to spin and clean the roller. See, it's trying to spin and spinning right over the roller, trying to push the paper in, and cleans it as it does that. So make sure you press cancel on the control panel, because the paper wasn't picked up and the printer thinks there's no paper. So I'll put the sensor, don't put it under this roller, just put it right over the sensor over here. We can go ahead and clean the second roller by pressing like a copy button. I was going to try to scan that, and I'm going to hold this pad right under the other roller. So I was going to spin that again and try to clean it. Okay, so we now have clean rollers. And go ahead and press cancel again. This is the cancel button, the X one that's right under the display. Let's go ahead and put the tray back where it belongs. Move this over a little bit. You can do this side, like so. And then push back and insert these tabs. Now we have the tray in place. Let's go ahead and wait for the rollers to dry for about a minute. Put the tab where it belongs. Load paper in there. Make sure it's all the way down where it's supposed to be. This is 8.5 by 11 paper. That's where it's supposed to be at. See if it picks up paper now. And it feeds paper just fine. There's definitely a better way of accessing the rollers to clean them. You need to remove the screws here on top and just remove this top cover. I'll show it to you in a different video. I'll include the link on how to do that down in the description below. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I really hope that this video was able to get you back to printing. Thank you so much for watching.